Hello and welcome. You're steadily building a strong foundation in C++, and today we'll take the next step together. Let's get started. C++ Beginner Course, Lesson 4.2, Primitive Types. Today we're learning about the basic data types built directly into the language: integers, decimals, characters, and true-false values. You've already seen variables, but now you'll understand the types that define what kind of data a variable can hold. Knowing these primitive types early will make your C++ journey much smoother and help you write clear, predictable code. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll define what primitive types are and why they matter. We'll explore the most common types in C++: integers, floating point numbers, characters, and booleans, and we'll talk about when to use each one. Finally, we'll look at common mistakes beginners make when choosing types. So what exactly are primitive types? They're the basic built-in data types that C++ provides for storing simple values. They're fast, efficient, and form the foundation of all data in your programs. Every variable you create starts with choosing the right type. Here are the core primitive types you'll use as a beginner. Int stores whole numbers, float, and double store decimal numbers, with double offering more precision. Char stores a single character like a letter or symbol, and bool stores a true or false value. These types cover most of the basic data you'll work with. Choosing the right type depends on what kind of data you're storing. Use int for whole numbers like scores or ages. Use float or double for measurements or calculations that require decimals. Use char for single characters, and use bool when something can only be true or false. Picking the right type makes your program more efficient and easier to understand. Here are a few conceptual examples. A player's score would be stored as an integer. A temperature or distance would be stored as a floating point number. A yes/no condition, like whether a game is running, would be stored as a boolean. We're not running code yet, just understanding the idea. Beginners often make a few common mistakes when choosing types. Using float when more precision is needed, using int for decimal values, or confusing char with a full string are all normal issues. Another common mistake is forgetting that bool can only store true or false. These mistakes are easy to fix once you understand the purpose of each type. Let's recap. Primitive types are the basic building blocks of data in C++. The most common ones are int, float, double, char, and bool. Each type has a specific purpose, and choosing the right one makes your program more efficient and easier to understand. Nice work completing this lesson. Every step you take strengthens your understanding of C++. Thank you for watching and for subscribing. It means a lot and keeps this project moving forward.